Hello, amazing people. I am so glad that you are here today. Wherever you are right now, whether you're driving, folding laundry, walking outside, or just taking a moment for yourself, I want you to know this space here is for you. We all long for a sense of purpose. We want to feel like the work that we are doing, the healing that we are fighting for, the prayers that we have been praying are all leading somewhere. You have probably wrestled with the feeling that you should be farther along by now. That quiet shame, that voice that whispers, why aren't you healed yet? But I want you to take a deep breath and let this truth settle into your soul. You are not behind, you are becoming. Let's talk about the real struggle here. Life is very demanding. We're doing all the things, showing up for others, trying to stay afloat, trying to grow, trying to hold it all together. But yet it still feels like we're just falling short. Here comes the question. Will I ever become the person that God created me to be? Well, here's the thing. Nobody tells you. Becoming does not happen all at once. And it does not happen overnight. It's slow, it's sacred, and it's layered. And most of the work, it happens underneath the surface. If your soul has been feeling heavy, uncertain, or just completely tired from trying, I want to invite you into a new way. You don't have to strive your way into healing. You do not have to force clarity or chase perfection. What if instead you gave yourself permission to slow down and listen, to show up just as you are, with your questions, your process, your heart wide open? What if the version of you that you have been waiting for is already unfolding? Let me offer you a few gentle steps, just a place to begin. Start with stillness. You do not need an hour. Even just 2 quiet minutes with your hands over your heart can shift something inside. You need to be honest with yourself. Ask yourself, what have I been carrying that no longer belongs to me? What truth have I been avoiding? Make sure to stay anchored, whether it's through scripture, prayer, or just simply your breath. Stay connected to what is real and don't do it alone. You were never meant to heal in isolation. Let people in, let support in, let grace in. There is no version of you that is too far gone, no timeline that disqualifies you, no mistake that defines you. You are becoming, not perfectly, not quickly, but beautifully, faithfully, and fully. So let today be the day that you stop measuring your worth by your pace and start measuring it by your presence. Because you are here, you are trying, you are growing, and I am so proud of you. If this message spoke to you, take it with you today. Write it down, breathe it in, and remember you are not behind. You are not broken. You are becoming who you were always meant to be, one step at a time, and you do not have to walk it alone.